Is a used 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. Grab life by the horns. Powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. White's University Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3609 East Grand Avenue, Laramie, Wyoming 82070.